Oh man, woke up like, oh, here we go. And man, here come this snowstorm, bro. You know what I'm saying? Trucker Diaries. I don't even know today's date, man. But I ain't the only one out here, man. Hopefully, Buddy be stuck too. I don't know. I'm just hating and talking junk. But hell, at least I got a Walmart over here and a movie theater. It's a McDonald's back yonder too. Yeah, yonder behind me. But yeah, man. Dang, bro. I'm here, man. I ain't always trying to miss this storm, man. It coming in too. Let's see, I got my coffee. I got you don't even see how that wind blowing down straight ahead. Yeah. Okay. But man, look at these skies. I got my coffee here, man. I'm straight. You feel me? Let's see what I got over here. I got, okay, Yeti cup full of ice. My other Yeti mug. That's coffee, you did.